Hey everyone, welcome back to How to with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream with sound on Discord and how to fix it if your screen share has no audio. First, open Discord and join a voice channel, or start a voice or video call with someone. Once you're connected, click the screen share button near the bottom left corner of Discord. Discord will now ask you what you want to share. For the most reliable audio, select the specific application or game window that you want to stream. Select the application, choose your stream quality if needed, and then click Go Live. Your application should now be streaming with its audio. If Discord asks for permission to share or capture audio, make sure you allow the permission. If your stream still has no sound, stop the stream and open user settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner. Next, select Registered Games under the Activity Settings section. Check whether the game or application you're trying to stream appears in the list. If it doesn't, click Add It, select the application that's currently running, and add it to your registered games. Once it's added, close the settings and return to your voice channel. Click the screen share button again, select the application, and click Go Live. Now check whether your stream audio is working. If you still have no sound, there are a few additional things you can try. First, make sure Discord is fully updated, then close and reopen the app. You can also go back to user settings, select voice and video, and check that Discord has the permissions it needs for screen sharing and audio. If you're still having problems, you can try disabling hardware acceleration inside the voice and video settings, restart Discord, and test your stream again. Once everything is working, your viewers should be able to see your stream and hear the application audio at the same time. And that's how to stream with sound on Discord and fix screen share audio if it's not working. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How to with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.